Make sure to watch this video before you start clicking any other videos on this playlist. Hello, my name is Mark, and today I'm going to be going over some updates. This is just an update video, a very important update video, because I just want to go over how to use my channel. So I'm going to be going over new courses, easier navigation, and what's next for this channel. Overview. I provide structured courses, specifically for the IBEW. I teach the fundamentals for test day. That is the basic math, as well as the algebra and reading comprehension. My videos cover what you will see on the standard algebra and functions, plus reading comprehension aptitude test. I do not cover what is on the GAN. However, I do provide a strong foundation. Okay, I do not have complete coverage. So this is the video where I do cover what will be on the GAN, and that's about it. I'm going to be going over the playlist that I have curated just for you, structured courses. Okay, I'm going to be talking about what I'm working on now and what's next. So before I talk about all that, let's go over.
What's that?
Why me? Why Markyfbaby? Well, I'll tell you why. It's very easy.
I am free.
Free 99. I do not accept any payment except for donations on Buy Me a Coffee. And I plan to keep it that way. Okay, I am not going to name who these people are. However, you will be paying $50 for this course and $60. Yes, $60 for this course and $90 for a bundle with the with this course. So you have the aptitude test as well as a interview bundle. However, I offer all this for free. I don't really have the interview bundle. You're going to have to scour through Reddit for the interview questions. I do have a few videos where I do share my interview experience, but I do not have structured courses for this. I do recommend you go over the questions that may come up on the interview with a friend, or better yet, with a mentor, like a teacher or something, or a professor if you're in college, or one of your coworkers at work, because that is the best way to get experience. Do not watch a video and then just write down what you're going to say and that's it. Okay, you have to speak everything out loud and you have to mean it. Okay, when you're watching my videos, for example, I want you to take up what you hear from me, but don't copy one for one. I want you to put your own experiences in what I am providing on the videos, if that makes sense. Tie everything in using the STAR method. You want to speak using the STAR method. I'm not going to go over that right now. Okay, moving on. Courses. I do have 5 courses on this channel, and let's just go ahead and go to them. So this is my channel, and then I have multiple playlists here. Okay, you have the Start Here IBEW Aptitude Test Prep Roadmap playlists, or I'm sorry, it's not playlists. I got to start using course. Okay, this is a course. So I have this course right here. For somebody who's just starting out, you want to go to this course. This is going to give you basic math and basic algebra, and then math topics from easiest to hardest. And then after that, you will be taking a test. One practice test. One practice test is included in this course. And then you have this right here, this course, IBEW Aptitude Test Practice Test. This includes all of the practice tests. That includes the 2 sample practice tests I have, as well as the additional 3 full-length practice tests. This right here, IBEW Aptitude Test Prep Course, Math plus Reading Comprehension. This is a collection of all my videos relating to the IBEW. So if you do not want to go to these individual courses, you could just go here, and this is like the one-stop shop for all my videos. And then you have this IBEW Aptitude Test Math, Complete Algebra and Functions. There's more to this. However, all this is all the math topics all in one video, as well as the part 1s, part 2s, and part 3s when they are released. Okay, this one right here differs from this because this one only has the part 1s, or I only put one of the parts in this video. This has a collection of all the math topics and all the additional videos. The IBEW Aptitude Test Reading Comprehension course, this has all the practice passages. Okay, so I do go over reading comprehension and how I would attack each problem in the reading comprehension section. There are 3 videos, and this is more than enough for you. However, I will keep making more videos as I keep receiving more feedback. And I have been receiving a lot of feedback. Shout out to you guys who are commenting on my videos and coming back to the channel to update everybody. You know, you are helping a lot of people, and you are helping my mission, which is to keep test prep free and accessible. I do not believe that test prep should be behind a paywall. So let's go back to the presentation here. I went over the courses. I do have a playlist where I have all of my videos about my journey to become an electrician. And guys, I'm just going to say it right now. I do not have any aspirations. Is that the word? Aspirations? I don't have any aspirations to become a journeyman anymore. Back in 2025, May of 2025, I did, and I was documenting my experience. However, I did find that test prep, you had to pay for it, and it really kind of ticked me off. So that just slingshotted my journey to providing free test prep for everyone. And I want to provide test prep, one for the IBEW and then beyond. So any test prep out there where you have to pay, I want to make it free. So this playlist here has everything, okay? Everything about my IBEW journey, and I will go to that on YouTube right now. So this is it right here, actually. This has all my videos, even the test prep ones. So this has like the 2 interview ones, why I wanted to become an electrician. Again, don't copy my answers one for one, my responses one for one. You want to tie in your experiences, but use the structure that I provide in these interview videos. Okay? So that's all there for you. What am I doing now? Well, I'm building my YouTube channel. So like I said, I do not want to become an electrician. I believe my interview score will expire this year. No, it will expire next year. It will expire next year, 2027. So if I happen to get the call between then, maybe it's a hard maybe too as well, that I will join and pursue my career as an apprentice and eventually a journeyman. But I am enjoying what I'm doing. I started this channel out with gaming back in 2019. I kind of was on and off, and now your boy helps people pass the aptitude test. And that's my goal, guys. My goal is to make you guys pass the aptitude test. And I am receiving feedback on what you saw on your test. And then I use that feedback to create updated practice tests or updated content. Okay. I'm not an electrician, and I'm not going to act like I'm an electrician or a tradesperson. Okay. I want that to get out of your head. I'm here to help you with the test prep portion. After that, I could help you with the interview portion. But again, there are many more qualified people to do that. My mission is to make test prep free. And that's what this channel is about, as well as to play video games. Okay, I do enjoy playing video games. That's just my thing. Right now, I am playing Fatal Frame. Make sure to check those videos out and support me there to as well. Okay. So what's next? The aptitude test pass tracker. So I completed this presentation before I made this tracker, and now that tracker is complete. Okay, so in the comments, you'll see a lot of people saying that they passed the aptitude test. It's not that hard to find one. Okay, thankfully, people have been recording or commenting that they passed the aptitude test. However, now I have created the aptitude test pass tracker. All you have to do is fill out a form. And the required information, there's like 6 questions that are required, and 2 of them are really important, which is what local did you test for and did you pass? And then the other required documents include, for example, I need to see a screenshot of you passing, because I want to ensure that this data that I am tracking is accurate. So this right here is the aptitude test pass tracker. This is public. Okay, so 2 people have already filled out the form, and this is the information that you're going to be getting. You're going to see the local that they applied to, the result, pass, the test, the date or the month and the year that they passed the test, the type of test, because there's this, and also the GAN, and their public name, the age range, and all these other nuggets that you will find valuable to help you prepare for your tests. So this even shows the stuff that they saw on the test. So if you hover over this, you could see at the top everything that they saw. Okay, everything is there at the top if you just click on the cell. Okay, I even have advice for future test takers. All this other data right here, up to public name, is optional. So some people won't even put this stuff down. However, this stuff right here, the local, the result, the test month, year, the test type, and this is optional. So this stuff right here is the only data that I actually need. And then if you go to about this tracker, the tab here, you could see the information about this tracker. And then there is a link for the form. So if I click this, we're going to be directed, and here it is. So I'm not going to do it. It's 3 pages. And guys, it's only going to take a little bit of your time, okay? If there's anything that you could do for me as a favor and I have helped you pass your test, please, please, please fill this form out, okay? This aptitude test pass tracker is going to help a lot of people. Verified pass results will be on that tracker, and I believe it's just going to give people so much more confidence when they get that test date. So again, my mission is to ensure that test prep is free and that you walk into that test confident and ready and prepared. Okay. So that's my goal, guys. That's my goal. Back to the presentation, expand my IBEW test prep. So I want to get into the GAN aptitude test. So that is something that I'm looking into. I'm asking a lot of questions about the GAN aptitude test because, guys, I have not taken the GAN aptitude test. I've only seen a few example practice tests online. So I will need your help to ensure that I have accurate videos to make courses about this. Okay, I need your help on that. And I also want to expand past the IBEW first with basic math. So I want to help people with basic math from like 6th grade all the way till 12th grade. And then after that, I want to continue doing more IBEW stuff. And then after that, then we're going to expand to other test prep. I'm not sure though, but that is the roadmap, the current roadmap. And of course, your boy plays video games, so I am trying to finish the Fatal Frame series, Fatal Frame 1, 2, and 3 before I even touch the remake. So
be prepared to see that.
Okay, so with the education, you're gonna get gaming too. Okay, you're gonna see all sides of Markyfbaby, of Mark. Office hours are every Tuesday from 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific time. I allot 20 minutes per person. However, if there's nobody else waiting for a call, I'll give you up to 40 minutes. That is what the Zoom, the free account of Zoom offers. And guys, thank you so much for supporting the channel. I really appreciate you guys. I am blessed. I am grateful. All glory to Jesus Christ, our Lord and Savior. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the feedback. Thank you for the comments. I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Markyfbaby out. Bye.